In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel all subscriptions on your Cash App card. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and the first thing you'll need to do is actually open up Cash App. From here, you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and when you are, you can actually head up to the top right corner and click on this icon, which will take you to your profile. So from there, you can scroll down to the bottom, and we're just going to choose support. It'll then say, how can we help? And we want to scroll down to the bottom again, and we're going to choose to chat. And we can now chat to Cash App support. So what you want to do from here is actually speak to the customer service representative, and you want to tell them the issues you are having. So since you're unable to cancel all of your subscriptions on your Cash App card, you're going to say to them, can you please assist me in cancelling all of my subscriptions on my Cash App card because I'm unable to do it inside of the app. From there, they'll actually be able to help you cancel all of your subscriptions from your Cash App card, since there's no way to do it inside of the app, and the only way to do it is by asking a customer support representative. So that's how you can cancel all subscriptions on your Cash App card. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.